Hi, I'm Sam, the Pea Sheller expert here at 855 Sheller. Today I'm going to walk you through a simple assembly process from your Taylor Lil Pea Sheller 675V2. Okay, when you see your Taylor Lil Pea Sheller, everything you need compact in one box. Okay, the assembly process is straightforward because we already pre-assembled the base for you before shipping. That's all left for you to do is attach the pulley and the collection pan and the belt guard. Okay, let's get started. First, we need to remove the four nuts and bolts from the machine. We'll actually need to keep these two bottom bolts in because that's where I'm going to start at to put on the Pea Sheller guard. So, this hole and this hole here. And make sure that it's inside. So now I'm gonna take one bolt. It kind of gets kind of hard unless you lean it over. Okay. And put your other nut, other bolt in at the bottom, but do not tighten them until you get all four in. Okay, that's the bottom. Now we're going to the top. Take your other screw, put it in the top, and put your bolt on. It's really simple. Get your other bolt, put it in. This is going to be kind of challenging right here. Okay. And once you got that in, okay. All four of them are in. And don't tighten them up all yet. So now, I get my pulley and make sure the pulley and the set screw is aligned adjacent to each other, which is going to be flat. So I take my Allen wrench and make sure you tighten this up first. Make sure it's good and tight. Okay. And now I take my belt, and you always start from the small pulley first. Put the small pulley on first, and then go up to the larger pulley. And then you just go in a clockwise motion and pop the belt on. That's just that easy. Now all that's left now is to attach the cover, the Pea Sheller guard cover, and then that's basically it. I got 6 screws right here. It goes into these 6 holes. So now I'm gonna assemble this cover with these 6 screws and put your screws in. And now, that's your finishing touches of the 675V2 Pea Sheller. So And I got my side guards. Put the small one over here by the Pea Sheller guard, and the bigger one over here on the other side. And after that, last but not least, you get your Pea Sheller pan, stick it up under there, and that's it. That's it for us, the Pea Sheller. Now, that's it. You all set. Enjoy your Pea Sheller, 675 V2 Pea Sheller. Thank you. Again, my name is Sam. Have a good day.